Yes, good evening, students. So today I am taking the second chapter of first PUC, that is units and measurement. So I have not started physical world because it is a general topic and it carries only 1 mark. And if you want me to take engage that also, then you can comment me in the box. Comment, you can comment whether to take or no. Okay. So but I am starting the second chapter, units and measurement. And if you want physical world, simultaneously I will start. So let us start with the introduction of the units and measurement. Okay, so in the introduction we have two definitions here to look. So that is, one is the physical quantity and the other one is the unit. And in unit, how many types of units are there? Okay, so physical quantity. So here in first chapter itself we get to know about the physical quantities again and again. In physics it is physical quantity. Physical quantity andre ಏನು? Okay, any quantity which can be measured and given in terms of numerical values is a physical quantity. Okay, so that is ಯಾವುದೇ quantity ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು measure ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದ್ರೊಳಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್, ಏರಿಯಾ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ, force, velocity, acceleration, momentum, okay, torque. So such quantities or pressure, such quantities are known as physical quantities and they can be measured. So that is known as the physical quantity. Okay, now let us talk about the units. So now ಈಗ length ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಂದ್ರೆ length, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ physical quantity is measured. Okay, once more I'll repeat, the standard quantity in terms of which physical quantity is measured is called a unit, right? So ಈಗ length ಗೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಏರಿಯಾನು ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಗೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಗೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೈ ಕೆಜಿ ಪರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ದೆನ್ next, force ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್, then velocity is meter per second, acceleration meter per second square. So all these quantities which can be measured in terms of unit is known as the unit. Okay, so unit ಅಲ್ಲಿ two types ಅದಾವ, ಒಂದು base unit or fundamental units, ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು derived units. Fundamental units ಅಂದ್ರೆ the units which are related to the fundamental quantities. ಇದು ನಾನು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. The units which are concerned to the or written in front of the behind the fundamental quantities are known as fundamental unit. ಮತ್ತೆ derived unit ಅಂದ್ರೆ the units which are written for the derived quantities are known as the derived unit. Okay, so ಈಗ next ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಮೂರು ತರ ಅದಾವ. ಒಂದು MKS, CGS ಮತ್ತು FPS. Okay, MKS, CGS, FPS. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ MKS ಅಂದ್ರೆ M ಅಂದ್ರೆ mass, K ಅಂದ್ರೆ kilogram, meter, kilogram, second. So first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ mass ಇಲ್ಲ length, mass, time. Okay, so ಇದು fundamental quantities, length, mass, time. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವು ಮೂರು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ನಾಗ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ಮಾಸ್, ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್, ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಟೈಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ in CGS ಅಂದ್ರೆ centimeter. Again you got the length here, that is in centimeter. Then G is gram. Then this one is second, that is CGS, right? Then FPS andre foot, pound, second. Okay, so MKS is meter, kilogram, seconds. CGS is centimeter, gram, second. And FPS is foot, pound, second. Okay, so this is the SI system. Okay, so I will give you the fundamental units, fundamental quantities. So there are 7 fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities. So I will make 2 columns here. Again in this column we'll make one more subdivision. Okay, so here it is SI units. Idrolaga double hakre. One is name and the other one is symbol. Name, symbol this side. Okay, so first one is length. So there are 7 here. I will write the numbers. First one is length. Length. Second is mass. Third is time. Okay, then fourth is electric current. Then temperature. Then luminous intensity. Then last one is the mole, amount of substance. Amount of substance. Okay, so name given to the length is meter. So we will write in small letter here, METER, meter. Symbol is again small m, not capital M, small m. Then kilogram. So there are certain rules how you have why you have to write small letters for some symbols and capital letters for some symbols. That I will be explaining in the later classes. So kilogram is kg. Then time, second. Simply you write S for second. Electric current, name is ampere. Okay, sorry, so this is small letter A, but symbol will be capital letter A. Then temperature is Kelvin. So name of a person it is, so it will be small letter A in the name and capital K here. Luminous intensity, candela, CD. This is mole. Yeah, mole. Thank you.